Y'all, welcome to the Nick Gates Show. I am Nick Gates. I want y'all to picture something. Guys, hear me out on this. So the night before, you're laying in bed. Before you go to sleep, you're trying to plan your day out for tomorrow, right? You got a list, right? I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna do this. By 2 o'clock, I'm gonna have everything good. I'm gonna be on the couch, open a beer, gonna be watching the ball game, right? So the next morning rolls around, you're about to finish up your second cup of coffee. You're about ready to get to work, right? And all of a sudden your wife comes, sits down beside of you and says, "You're gonna install that ceiling fan today, right?" This is not on your list to do, but it is now. Like, share, subscribe. We installing a ceiling fan. All right, anytime you messing with the power, you gotta cut your breaker off, y'all. Let's make sure we do that before we even get started. All right, y'all, I have got our box unpacked. I've got everything unwrapped, all the crap out of the way. Now, I'll flip you over here. This is the light that we're gonna be taking down. We're gonna be putting up that ceiling fan. So, just gonna put it on a time lapse today. We're gonna go step by step. Hopefully get this thing up within a few minutes. Y'all, that's it. Installing our Hampton Bay ceiling fan. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty simple. About half an hour or so. What I really like about this fan, and I'll put a link in the description, is because the fan blades, you don't have to screw each individual screw up into the brackets. These actually have kind of the screws built in. Kind of hard to explain, but basically you place the fan blades in the slot. You slide them and they just snap in. So I don't think we bought this on purpose. Maybe we just lucked up. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. This is Nick Gates Show.